And we are back. Welcome to Dad Bod Trading, the most average and normal trading you will ever see on YouTube. Probably the most boring. So, what do we have today? Well, we have a whole bunch of sectors in the market that are just kind of crashing and fading. Um, Chinese stocks are up, and you have all of the usual suspects. You have XPEV, you have JD, PDD, Baba. Oops, no. They're all looking pretty good. So we're and they're up because there's a bunch of U.S. regulation, not regulations, but the Chinese government's going to release a whole bunch of documents on these companies that I guess the U.S. was threatening to remove them from the exchange if they didn't hand over these documents. And so then there's a bunch of stress about that and led to these horrible dips. So, yeah, it's an interesting time to be alive, that's for sure. Okay, but we're going to get to it. So, I have a couple swing trades right now that are going on. Have some time. We have Qualcomm, which is one that I got last, maybe, yeah, on Tuesday. Got it on Tuesday, and I should have gotten out on Wednesday, but I didn't. And so now we're just kind of um, seeing what happens. My stop is the low of yesterday, so it's dipped below an alert that I had set. So probably going to be a loss. Not a huge loss, but a loss. And then, let's see here. I mean, okay, it expires next week. So I'm tempted to just let it go because it's such a small position, but I don't know. We'll see. Let's see what happens. And then, let me see here. We have a position in Cisco. Oh, wait. Where am I? There we go. And Cisco is it's kind of holding up decently well. I bought it at the break of this high here, and kind of went in and out. Actually, I took some profits yesterday, and then reduced the size of the position when I was break even here. So I just have one call. It's a 57 strike call. It expires next week. I'm feeling pretty good about it. The problem is, this is the thing that gives me a little bit of pause. Right here. See those two tweezers? The tweezer here? When you have two candlesticks that have really big tails on them and then a small body down below, it's what we call a tweezer. And it's a very bearish sign. Like, you see that when you're day trading, you're like, oh snap, I need to get out of this position. Or reverse strategies, one of the two. So I see that, and I'm kind of like, I don't know. But again, it's a super small position. I'm going to let it ride until next week. We're still kind of within this upper channel area. There's kind of a channel from 55.50 to 57. And I'm willing to give it some time. That's all the way down here. So we'll see what it does. I'm not going to day trade it, I don't think. And then we have TSN, which is actually holding up fairly well, surprisingly. It's not dipping like the rest of the market. So I bought it here at this breakout. I think 89-ish. No, I bought it up here, 89.40, and it was up a few dollars. It's kind of a slow moving one. The delta is only 25, so it's going to move 25 bucks per dollar. So I got basically like 10 bucks out of this move here. So it's not a huge move, but decent. And I'm hoping that it can go up to this 91 level here and possibly beyond, but I'm not holding my breath. You have support here, which became resistance here, and it's looking like it could probably, but it could possibly go up to this 94 level. I mean, that would be awesome. That'd be great. But again, I'm not holding my breath. But I'm happy that it went up here. So we'll see what goes on with that. But yeah, I don't have anything else on the swing trade side of things. Pretty sure my main watch today is going to be some of these Chinese stocks that are up. They're the only things that are really up. So NIO right now has the most volume, which isn't surprising. And I'm thinking about doing a swing trade on NIO just because of the good news. Now the problem is, yes, it's up in pre-market like 5%. Problem is, it was up a lot 2 days ago and slammed right back down. So the question in my mind is, yes, we have a lot of volume. Yes, we have it coming up to this level, the 22.5 level, but I don't see that as I see this as problematic, So I think that if it breaks this level, if it can break the pre-market high, I'm gonna get in on it. If we can, get 22.50 and then ride it for a little while, I would be happy to do that. And we're gonna set an alert right here. Otherwise, I'm not terribly interested in trying to dip by it. Kind of depends on what the rest of the market does. So as far as a day trading thing goes, maybe I'll try to grab a really cheap call if it dips down here to this 22 level-ish. Let's see here. What's the 2-minute chart look like? Kind of messy. So we have some support here at 22.10, 22.12. Yeah, I'd really like it to do a dip and rip. That would be awesome. Baba was holding up pretty good. Oh no, I just dipped. Nah, it's more expensive. I'm just kind of not sure about Baba here. 15, 17. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm going to just focus on NIO. And NIO also kind of moves in tandem with Tesla in some ways. So if Tesla does okay, that's going to give us a better chance at having success here at NIO. So yeah, so our breakout is going to be essentially this opening price from yesterday. Not quite the opening price, I guess. 22.30. 22.30. Is that what we're at right now? Yeah, that's what we're bumping up against here. So let's see what happens here with NIO. I'm going to stick it on our little thing. Yeah, this was an unfortunate event right here. Like, that kind of makes me think, I don't like this. This is never a good sign when it goes up, breaks out above a channel, which it did 2 times, and then just goes right back down. I know that the rest of the market on that day was doing the same thing, and yesterday was same song and dance, but yeah, here's hoping that today is different. Let's see what it does. And I've been signed out of my trading account on my phone, so hang on a second. We have the meme stonks that are kind of going for it in some ways. You had AMC that was looking super, super nice a few days ago. Got some nice short squeeze action going there. But it's kind of just trying to find its way, I wish I would have been watching it. That would have been nice. But oh well. Would have been nice. Very okay. Look, yeah, this is beautiful. See, this is what you want. You want a run up, consolidation, holding, and then boom, because this collects short sellers right here. It didn't break this day's high. Collection of short sellers. Freaked a few of them out. They reshorted here, and then it goes boom. that would have been nice. It's a nice W pattern here, isn't it? Oh well. I was very busy on these days when I was doing this. Yeah, we were actually traveling on this day, so. Oh well. Could have gotten an entry at any of these days here, which kind of makes me wonder, maybe? Oh, it's so expensive, that's the problem. It wasn't expensive here, I guarantee that. Like, the options were not expensive here. But now it's back into the meme stonk kind of arena, and so now everything's super expensive for it. For a $27 stock, or $26 stock. Spread's not too bad, so yeah, I don't know. But yes, this was beautiful. This would have been fantastic. And then, of course, GME is kind of doing the same thing. Now, they talked about doing a split, which is fantastic. It'll make it more affordable for people. And if they do that, then it could give them some more pizzazz. I have one share that I bought at 216. I think it was. When was that? 216. Yeah, I think it was. He was back. Was it all the way back here? I think it was all the way back here. And I've held this whole time. Just because, like, why not? I'm definitely interested to see if it's gonna do some more short squeezing up above 200. The meme stonks are very tempting just because there's so much hype, there's so much energy surrounding their price action. It's very addicting. But we won't touch it. So, oh dear. Excuse me. Bum ba bum 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 bum. So I'm gonna actually put BDD over here on the right monitor. I'm gonna do Neo over here. And I'm liking Neo. I really am. I think that if it can break the pre-market highs, we could be really, really in good shape. So I don't want it to do it until, until the market actually opens, of course. I think that this could be a decent swing trade. I think that we could see it go up, 20 to 26 to this next level. And if it can break out, then we could see it at the 27, 28 level. We could fill this nice gap. So that's why I'm interested in swing trading it. Let's see here. Opening at about 22, 23, 22.5, so it's going to be about 70. I would be very happy to grab a 23 for, 70, 80 bucks. That's 2 weeks out. We could even do next week, but 2 weeks out, that'd give us some good stability. That could be really nice, Of course, there's the most volume, open interest on 25s, which, hey, that might be a good place to start. But yeah, I think I'll probably get a starting position here, maybe at the open, and have my risk for that starting position to be 20, 22-ish, and then yeah, 22.10, something like that. So SPY has that level. That's a monthly level, 54. At least we're still above 450. So this is on the New York Stock Exchange. 22.3 is what the opening price was yesterday. 22.28. XPEV is kind of the same thing. Oh, did they just have earnings recently? So that's really good news. I mean, they're both kind of going to run together. But does this have more potential? You know, since they're doing better. 31. Okay, so it's basically in this channel here, or not this channel, but like it's hitting this right here pretty accurately. So we want a break of that. We want an alert there. Thank you, please, and thank you. And again, I'm thinking that if we could grab some calls here, it might be good, you know. Both of them are doing good, so it's kind of like pick your poison, you know. XPEV has a little bit more of a channel. There's a little bit more of a channel here, whereas Neo... Don't do it, Neo. Wait! Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Yeah, I think I'll go with this. Thank you. Much rather that it just waits for me. Okay? Just wait, Neo. Just wait. No. Don't do it. $120. Oh, wow. 83.65. Maybe we can grab one of these babies for a little less than that. XPEV is kind of going up. We'll give this a minute here, okay? Are they open yet? They're not open yet. Not yet. Tyson's opening up nicely. That's nice. Go Tyson. Okay, is this settling down yet? Come on. Just settle down. I think I will grab a 23.5. I think I'll grab a 23.5 here. I'll try to do, let's see, what's the middle here? I'll try to grab one of those here at maybe 80. Let's try that. Let's try to grab one at 80. Too late. No, come back here. Orders. Okay, we're gonna grab one at 90. What do we get? 93. Yeah, there we go. We have lots of time on it. Okay, so alright, so we got it at 93, and now I'm just kind of taking a look at our other stuff here. PDD, Qualcomm is going down. Oracle is kind of going back up. Alright, so that's good so far. 2250. PDD is going for it a little bit, yeah. Poor Qualcomm. Just can't quite get it. Can't quite get it up. Okay. Neo. XPEV is looking for its break here. Oh, everything just tanked hard. think I'm just going to get out of Qualcomm because I don't see it recovering. I mean, I have until next week. I guess I'll just hold it until next week, but it's dipping down pretty badly, so, you know. Hmm. Come on, baby. You can do it. I'm going to actually get out of Neo because it's kind of dipping kind of hard here. So that's fine. I know I said that was a swing trade, but I don't. It's so hard. Like, the market as a whole is just kind of looking really ugly. So I don't know. We'll see. And take profits on Tyson too. So we have what's Cisco doing? XBEV is kind of dipping. Pretty standard stuff here. Yeah, I think I'm going to just close out Cisco also here. Okay. Oh. Yeah, whatever. Just get me out of here. Cisco's closed down. Qualcomm, you know, I'm just gonna do away with it. I want to get out of these positions. Just gonna go back to Neo here, and what I want Man, that's a nice rebound there. I wish I would have been buying at the dip there. That's okay. Just wait. We'll just wait. Oof. Major oof. It's a good day to be a bear. That's for sure. Where's our stuff? Here we go. That's the close. So glad that I didn't try to go long on that baby. I don't know. Everything's really janky right now, so hold on to your pants. Glad I'm out of those positions, though. That's nice. Do 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 do. Tyson's dropping. Cisco. I thought about going short on this, the break of this key level here, but it's just kind of. We do have the tweezers, though. We do have the tweezers. Now, Apple is kind of interesting. Yeah. Excuse me. So, I think that I'm going to hop off here. I know it's 15 minutes in here. Oh, Neo's going back up. Hold it. Just hold it. Neo is trying again. Can we do a quick little day trade on it? Could we do it? Let's see here. I'm still not convinced that this is a good idea to go long on it. I'm just not convinced. If anything, if I wanted to go long, I should have bought it down here. It's just not. Yeah, I mean, everything else is kind of looking yucky, so. Oh, I don't know. If we can get a rebound, it could break out. Hmm. Let's try this. Let's do this here. We'll try to get it for 75. We can get it for 75. Um, and we'll hold it for a little bit here and see what happens. We essentially have. This is what I'm gonna do. Let's do this. We essentially have a wedge. It's kind of formed like this. And depending on how that wedge finishes out, yeah. Let's see what the wedge does here. Whoa, Tyson just jumped up. That's nice. Okay, let me see here. Wow, nice. Okay. That would have been super, super nice, but, you know. Oh, it's still at 70. Okay. Go back to Neo here. See what it's doing. Keeping on our little wedgie here. Keeping in mind that the rest of the market is dropping. Let's see if we have some rebound here. Q's is dropping hard. What's the SPY gonna do? This is on the New York Stock Exchange. Oh, there's our wedge right there. Oh yes, good stuff. Good soup. All right, yep. So we're gonna hop out here. Oh, it probably won't let us. Yeah, let's get out of here. Okay, that's fine. It's worth the shot, you know. And this is why you get out at the wedge. Whoop. is falling. Oh, nice H pattern there. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm going to hop off and hope you have a fantastic weekend. I'm actually not going to be doing trading next week. I'm going to take a break and focus on my family, and then we'll be back the week after that. So thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Thank you for joining me. And we will see you in about a week. Take care.